सामग्री के बेहतर और सस्ते उत्पादन और एपिकल रूट कटिंग का उपयोग करके त्रिपुरा में इसकी क्षमता पर एक संगोष्ठी सह कार्यशाला सोमवार को HRC सम्मेलन हॉल नागीछरा में आयोजित की गई। इस अवसर पर राज्य के कृषि विभाग के सचिव अपूर्व रॉय और हॉर्टिकल्चर अधिकर्ता अनिभूषण जमातिया, एग्रीकल्चर अधिकारी शरदेंदु दास और अन्य उपस्थित थे। सेमिनार की शुरुआत अतिथियों ने दीप प्रज्वलित कर की।
Politics has there is a lot of politics industry, but it has some disadvantages also, like cosmetic values do not suppress the traditional varieties. Local market value is and it is less preferred by the consumers due to its sticky nature. High cost involvement regarding energy and manpower. It requires highly skilled labor to perform the overall activities of the DPS. Once this technology was one of the best adopted technology industry due to some uniqueness, but with the advancement of technology and to meet the demand and supply of healthy planting materials of potatoes, the technology through apical cutting for a better and cheaper seed production has given us chance to adapt and adopt the technology for the future benefit of our farming community industry. So apical rooted cutting for potato seed production has become additional advantage for the DPS, like this apical root cutting technology was lower capital startup cost for planting, for producing healthy planting materials. So these are all advantages over the this our present DPS produce this equivalent. So let us hear all the details from the expert on the topic. So thank you to each and everyone for being with us today. So we are pleased to be able to welcome all you that have been today.
Listen to the experts how it is done and how it saves time, how it saves cost, and also I think it gives similarly in Karnataka. I hope it gives the same thing to our state also, our farmers of the state. And I think this will be not a complicated technology. It's a simple one, but very effective one. So this kind of technology I think we need to adopt for modernization of our agriculture, for increasing the income of the farmers. And to have this production of potato is not much compared to our requirement. We have to bring it from outside. The same thing happened to Karnataka also, especially this thing comes from Punjab and Himachal, and also to some extent from West Bengal to bring this potato here. But if we start, if our farmers start producing potato in a higher quantity, maybe one day we'll be able to catch up with the other states and we will become self-sufficient, and with our effort we may become surplus also in production. I hope